Hey guys, this is Aniket and today I have a very compact and affordable wireless keyboard mouse combo with me. So if you are searching for one or are thinking of buying this one, then you should watch this video before buying, and with that said, let's begin. This is the Logitech MK240 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I have the black and neon color variant, but it is also available in a white and red option. The box packaging is a bit different than usual. You need to open from both sides to get all the things. So inside the box you get a K240 keyboard, a M212 mouse, a dongle for connection, one for both the devices, and an instruction manual. You also get 4 AAA batteries for the first use, which I have already inserted in the devices. Firstly, let's talk about the keyboard. The K240 is a very light and compact keyboard. I mean, this is just too light and compact, and it just makes it a very ideal choice to have as a keyboard for your laptop or if you have a very small working space. The build quality is good. It is all plastic, but they have used good quality plastic. And the colors. No matter which color you pick, this is gonna be an attention seeker.
Yeah, boy.
Not like that, but okay. It is a 10 keyless keyboard in a 65% like form factor. Let me explain this. This is a full-size keyboard, and if you remove these keys, it will become a 10 keyless keyboard. Now look at this. This is still very small. Almost like a 65% keyboard, but with all the other keys. These other keys you are seeing on this keyboard are all here, cramped up with other keys to function as multifunction keys. You can see at the top that the top row is also full of multifunction keys. You can use those highlighted functions by holding the FN key and then pressing the desired key to perform the function. Although I didn't like the way they placed the FN key on this keyboard. Why, I will show you in a bit. The keycaps are decent, I mean not too good, not too bad, just decent and good enough for the price. The spacing for keys is also good. Although they have cramped up a 10 keyless into a 65% like form factor, it really doesn't feel like that. And lastly, the fonts are big and proper, but they are printed on the keycaps, so they will eventually fade away with time or heavy usage. Now coming to the mouse, this is small and cute looking and a very rugged mouse. The build quality is good and looks are also decent. At the back you get to see a power button, and if you remove the battery cover you can see that there's a place to store the receiver, which is really very appreciated. This is a lifesaver for those people who forget to keep their receivers in proper places like me and then be like, the keyboard is nice as expected, the typing experience is good, keys are nice to press and have a decent feedback. Although if you don't like chiclet style keyboards or low profile keyboards, you may not like this. But if you ask me, the typing experience is really good. Remember I talked about the position of the FN key? I found it very disturbing that it is placed on the left side instead of right. If you use the Windows key a lot, then the position of the FN key will affect you a lot. It will seem that it's not that big of an issue, but think of it, you will change your habit for one keyboard, and then when you will change the keyboard, you will again have the same problem. Coming to the other aspects of the keyboard, the multifunction keys. They come in really handy, especially the multimedia keys and the calculator shortcut here. You have 8-degree adjustments for a better typing angle. It has a very strong durable build and doesn't flex or bend at all if you press it. It has a spill-proof design, so if you drop any sort of liquid, it will not get damaged, although I don't recommend doing that. It doesn't have any LED indication for caps lock or the amount of battery left. And the most bizarre thing, it doesn't even have a power button. Yes, unfortunately it doesn't have a power button. But it works just fine and nobody ever complained about its battery life, so I guess it's okay to not have a power button. Coming to the mouse, the looks are okayish, build quality is good and sturdy, but the clicks, they are just super annoying. I mean, if anyone starts to use this as a daily driver, then sooner or later his or her mouse will end up like this. Jokes apart, the clicks are hard to press and makes the overall working experience very bad. And the skates are also pretty average ones. It will easily wane off with heavy usage. The dongle is a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, so there is almost no latency. I didn't feel that much of a lag, although I would not recommend this for gaming. This is for work purposes and you should consider it mainly for that purpose only. And in case you wanna use it with other devices like mobile phone or tablets, then you can do that with the help of an adapter or OTG cable. Battery life of both the devices is 36 months for the keyboard and 12 months for the mouse respectively. I hardly believe that without a power switch it will go that long, but you can expect a battery life of more than a year with daily average usage from the keyboard. And for the mouse, it is as advertised because you will use it occasionally. And if you use it as a primary, then it will be... Now it's time for the final verdict. Although the keyboard has some questionable things like not having a power button, weird FN key placement, no caps lock LED, but it does satisfy its main purpose. The typing experience is good and it is light and compact. On the other hand, the mouse is a complete disappointment for such a reputed brand. And for the consumer, it is a waste of money. Overall, I will say if you really want to buy it for the keyboard only, then you can go with this. It has a really good typing experience for the price. But if you want the mouse as well for primary usage, then I won't recommend this combo. Buy link is in the description if you want to check it out. And as always, like and share this video and I will be catching you guys in the next one, and till then, peace out.